Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware. Look for the RJ45 jack on your PC and the router or modem. Plug one end of a Cat5e or Cat6 cable into the router and the other into the PC. You should feel a click. Once connected, power both devices and watch for link lights. If you want to isolate issues, disable Wi-Fi so you test only the wired connection. Doing this first gives a clear path forward and prevents software from masking cable or port faults. Once the physical link is active, you configure networking so data flows. On Windows, go to Settings, Network and Internet Ethernet. On Mac OS, use System Preferences, Network. Make sure IP4 is set to obtain an IP automatically, DHCP, unless your network requires a static address. DHCP avoids IP conflicts and simplifies setup. Verify DNS, either accept ISP defaults or enter a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8. Finally, renew the lease or restart the adapter so the PC requests fresh network parameters. You finish by verifying connectivity and addressing failures. Open a terminal or command prompt and ping your gateway, then ping 8, 8, 8, 8 to confirm external reachability. If pings fail, restart the router, modem, and PC, replace the cable, or try a different port to isolate hardware faults. If link lights are on but no network works, inspect Device Manager or Network Preferences for driver problems, update or roll back drivers as appropriate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.